Okay, my dear students, today let us start exercise 3.5. It contains the cross multiplication method, solving the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. Okay, what is that method? I will write cross multiplication method. See, in this case, here we have to consider a pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equations with two variables. Okay, what we have considered? We have considered the pair of linear equations with two variables. For example, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Then we have to set these equations into the converting the formula for cross multiplication method. So let us choose the a1 a2 as the coefficient of x. So column containing x equals to a1 a2, say this as 1. Then column containing y equals to b1 b2, column containing constant C1 C2, say for this one second, say for this one third. Okay, for our convenience we have to set a cross multiplication formula by using these coefficients. Now by two, three, 1, 2 method, by 2, 3, 1, 2 method. What this method? By 2, 3, 1, 2 method is x divided by, second we have to consider, that is b1 by b2. Okay, let us write this one, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, again that a1 a2, like that. So according to this method we have to write b1 b2 c1 c2, then 1 a1 a2, then 2 again b1 b2. After writing these in this format, we have to use certain symbols, b2 to c1 in this direction, b1 to c2 in this direction, So this is plus into this one is negative. This one is negative. Then again C1 to A1, C2 to A1, then C1 to A2. Similarly, in this way, all the bases containing the negative sign. That means we have x equals to B1 C2 minus B2 C1. B2 C1. Then for y equals to, then for y divided by y equals to C, C1A2 minus C2A1. Then for constant as 1. So what you have to do, A1B2 minus A2B1. A2B1. How we have obtained? This represent x, this represent y, this represent a1. So x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, then constant term 1 divided by a1 by b2 minus a2 by b1. Okay, all these containing equals to, then equals to. So the overall formula for this cross multiplication method is x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, 1 divided by, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 minus a2 b1. So if you have any confusion, please don't write these questions. So x, y, then this one is 1. In this way, we have to find the formula for multiplication method of solving the pair of linear equations. See, once again I will explain. First of all, we have to consider the standard form of pair of linear equations. A1x plus b1y plus c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Then you extract column containing x as a1 a2, column containing y as b1 b2, column containing constant as c1 c2. Say for a1 a2 equation 1, b1 b2 equation 2, c1 c2 equation 3. For our convenience, we have to use this equations as to set a cross multiplication method formula as a 2-3-1-2 method. That is 2-3-1-2 method. What is that 2-3-1 method? We have to write the coefficients of 2 in this way, b1 by b2. Coefficients of 3, c1 by c2. Then again 1, that is coefficient of a1 a2, a1 a2. Then the 2 again, b1 b2. Then mark from upside left to right, that is b1 c2 as this type of arrow mark and b2 c1 as this mark symbol. So all these base coefficients containing minus sign. So you have to after multiplication B1 C2 you have to use minus sign for every x and y and constant term. So x equals to C, B1 C2, then minus, then B2 C1, then again y, here that represent y equals to C1 A2, then again minus C2 A1, then 1 constant term that represent 1, that is A1 B2 minus A2 B1 minus A2 B1. See, first you write down this method and the last representation of this cross multiplication method in a single format is x divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1, y divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1, 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. By substituting the values of the coefficients, we can have the solution for x and y in this method. So remember this method, very simple one. Use that technique that is 2 3 1 2 method. 2 3 1 means 2 means B1 B2, 3 means C1 C2, 1 means A1 A2. So that method you apply by writing the coefficients in this format and yourself set the multiplication in this format. First x divided by B1 C2. The arrow marks will show you how to multiply. That at last we get the one of the framed formula x divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1, y equals to y divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1, then equals to 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. See attentively the formula in what way I have set. So today there is a time limit for us. Only 12 minutes we have to take. So I have solved the formula method, the cross multiplication method of solving the pair of linear equation. See attentively all the steps what I have solved and you practice yourselves solving the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. See, you practice this chart, then only you can easily set the main formula of cross multiplication. I hope you will practice it. Tomorrow let us start the multiplication method of solving the pair of linear equation. Once again tomorrow I will repeat and start the exercise. Okay, thank you.